Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Recaptcha in Elementor. First, you'll need to get your unique site and secret keys from the Google Recaptcha admin console. Once you have those, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Elementor, then Settings, and click on the Integrations tab. Here, you'll find the Recaptcha section where you can paste your newly acquired keys. Remember to save your changes to apply the settings. Now that your keys are integrated, open the Elementor page containing your form. Edit the form widget and add a new item, selecting Recaptcha as the field type. You can choose between Recaptcha v2 or v3, depending on your preference. After adding, you can customize its appearance, like the size and alignment, to seamlessly fit your form's design. Don't forget to update your page to save these changes. After adding Recaptcha to your form, it's crucial to test it. Publish your Elementor page to ensure the form is live and accessible. Then, visit the live page and attempt to submit a test entry. Observe if the Recaptcha challenge appears and functions correctly. Finally, check your form submissions in your WordPress dashboard to confirm that the Recaptcha successfully validated your entry, helping to prevent spam. For advanced protection, consider using Recaptcha v3, which operates invisibly in the background, offering a smoother user experience. Regularly monitor your form submissions to ensure your Recaptcha is effectively blocking spam without hindering legitimate users. This proactive approach helps maintain your site's integrity. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They make organizing your meals simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.